This wig is giving, guys, come for it. It's available. In a few months, I've been complaining so much about too much sunshine here in Uganda. So, guys, now I'm covering up myself. Oh, guys, we don't know what we want. Yeah, we don't know what we want. Now it's raining heavily, guys. It's always raining, so it rained at night so bad, and it's a bit cold now, and I'm putting on this. So, guys, on several weeks, but I've been not recording them, guys. So let me show you this week. Some of my customers have been complaining about. I've been complaining that. So why do you always have those less wigs, even less braided wigs? Why don't you get us some cheaper wigs so that even us can be able to get some of your wigs? So, guys, yesterday, but I think on Monday, I started on this wig, but I didn't record it. Let me show you guys. It's a cheap wig. You can tell it on the looks. It's like this. So, guys, this is the wig, and you can tell by the finishing, guys. This finishing is much different from this. Are you guys seeing? You can compare. They are different, guys. So, guys, this is way cheaper than this one, you know, than this one, than this one. So, guys, yeah, and so, guys, I'll be making more of such wigs so that everyone can be able to get one, you know. I finished it yesterday night. It's nice, it's light. Available here at Sal Wigs, guys. Here we do. And we create your perfect image. Look at this wig. So, guys, let's take this one back. Guys, do you remember the wig we were working on? It was pink, purple, and pink, purple, and maroon. So, guys, we finished that wig. So, guys, here is the wig. We finished it. Look at it, guys. Look at it. Oh my God. It's giving. It's giving, guys. Look at this wig. Take a good look at it, guys. Oh my God. Guys, this wig is available for purchase. Look at this finishing, guys. Look at this. This wig. Guys, look at this wig. Look at it, guys. Look at it. Another brand. Let me bring it closer to you guys. So guys, we mixed color. We mixed coffee brown and gold to get this, to come up with this color blend, guys. Here are our strands. This is how we blended these colors to come up with this unique color, guys. So guys, here's our wigs. We create your perfect image. You bring out that exact look you want. So guys, who's ready to see this when it's done? Look at this, guys. Look at this, guys. Look at this. Oh my god. I can't wait, guys. So guys, don't forget to subscribe on our YouTube channel. We love you so much. Take care. See you in the next video. Phew. Oh my god. Oh my god. So guys, let's walk. Let's walk. Welcome to my smaller business. Look at this, guys. Look at this. It's giving.
Running wild.